afternoon, everyone. Puilano Jotono. Myself, Puilano, and I'm from Kailashahar, and I completed my schooling from Kailashahar Government Girls Schools, and I completed my graduation from Women's College and PhD on Human Physiology Honors. And now, currently I'm pursuing my MSc on Molecular Biology and Bioinformatics. And the reason why I'm choosing this university is since when I'm in my childhood actually, so Tripura young thang Tripura like always I'm thinking, wow, it's a building and white color. So my dad and as I'm a single child, so porok sama shaldano or no tong or graduation complete hemi por MSc khai because I'm porok tong or sar song and I tara song by porok complete khai so they weren't young or no tong and MSc complete khai nani and my hobbies I like to draw portrait paint.
Kumaragat Sajaswara ni ke ang pass out ng family as department music college Najubagan ke Tabuk music department vocal first semester. Yang orang music show na payo, angkai ani orang aim in life from ka PhD, kalian semua music nanti ye, angkai ani hobi sih ka musamong resamong langsung.
Dear freshers, please come 2% at the same time, one male and one female.
Ang berkacang ni tong nai, tai ani hobbies engkau masana ni, then I like to play football as well, and my aim in life is to have a good and healthy life. Dia orang tong nai jodoh ani saksabai dia darah sama buat hamabai. Ani kumon ke di kade Burma, ani kami ke kaya shahar, saya shahar. Ang pasal ke kami ke Ramkrishna Mahavidyalaya College, tapo ang first year ro, ini kai tunggu ke Bura. Ani hobby singka, masana ni handwriting sudah ni kita ang MLI ke assistant professor dengan musuh hamabai.
Union Christian College Meghalaya wa graduation pai Tabuk wa Geography and Research and Management pori tonga. Tayani parang ke khumulan asno hamabai.
I'm from Tabuk and I did my graduation in Union Christian College. I chose this university because I want to study in my own state. Thank you.
Nung to koglo rusuy yung musumo, right? Nungke, nung to tayo koglo pwede ni, nungke koglo ni, koglo suy ni nung za, koroksa suy ko ni mong sari.
Koroksa mong genang. Ani sana ni sana di profesor development of PhD, kelai kamu, pajak tahu, assistant.
Koglo sulo, okay. Te kaisa sungai ano no? Bo koroksa Sahitya Academy National Award manja koglop sui kuru Tripura no koglop bai basi de ko bai basi dong binumung sari National Award Sahitya Academy National Award
sa nang kiso
hamabai thani
Portraits, canvas, etc. And my aim is to do PhD in this particular subject. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our seniors to make this program. And myself, Pitos de Burma, and I am from Agartala. And I have completed my graduation from BBM College, Bikram Memory College, and now I am studying Tripura University, Department of MA Education. There's how I know hi animong Pitos de Burma. I'm Agartala ni, and like Hanjak, and the Puilano College, Minibomong, Bikram Memorial College, and Tabuk MA Masters of Education. Tayani aim in life, ani life work. I said, I will become a TVS officer. Tay ani hobbies ngay I have 3 hobbies. First one, traveling, and next, motivation, and third one, giving charity, making charity. Hindi charity is Hanani shocking the mother. I'm saying now. Hindi by Boboro Sanai. Jeffro Hamzaga एकदम बुखा बाइजा आपको तो साना ही ना कि हमजा मो जेफ्रो ने थायो आपको तो साना ही सभी Here's your wish. Okay. अब चिनी अमित राठौर ने गताई अपनो चिनी शक्ति का बरु साधक दो अब कॉकरोच इस्लाम तरी सी ताकि हिंदी में सावन है बिना देखे तुम्हारा तस्वीर बना सकता हूँ बिना देखे तुम्हारा तस्वीर बना सकता हूँ बिना मिले तुम्हारा हाल बता सकता हूँ अरे पगली मेरी मोहब्बत में इतनी ताकत है कि तुम्हारे आकार से मेरे आँख से निकाल दो थैंक यू
kamu kok konten aku? Ini itu. Adi hobi aja. Pokok sini salah ngomongnya.
Tripura Jotono, ani no oli de Burma, ani kami korbo, Tabuk Tabuk first semester women's college of pori pass khai or khai.
Hamba.
Kurum katai orang phay masa phane sar songno tai si ani se senior dara tai bai songno tai ani sak sa bai ani monghang ke rajdhani deborma antai inga Tripura tribal folk music khumulo ni pass out ngai or Tabuk department music vocal streamo laikong first semester ani musung mani hangke resamnani tai musanani tak kisah bisa mamulok songsanani kan enggak moke music bisa
Tripura Jotono ani jihad ya rumah te yang pass out ini kakya Tripura Music College ni dan ang Tabuk University wa ini katong music department dance nanti te ani embelat ke konser dance di sana sampai
Hamba.
No, ani bukan Vishal Deborma. Ani parent bungka kanti kapta para kumlong. Ang government degree college ni pass out ni tayo. Ang Tabuk Tripura University wo MA khatungo department Hindi. Ani hobbies nga free time mo gan khanana ni pori nani. Ani hobbies nga ang teacher na musiko hambay.
Neng tangli Hindi no neng masters class ni hani wanswk tini orang pori phaga sagan.
Kami ke Hindi teachers onek kom Tripura and ang koroksa Hindi teachers ngai sini Tripura sa bororono gustango purna musiko.
Neng Hindi teacher ni pernah muncul macam ni Tripura hawo usizora tu scope tong amu neng saya dah hamba.
Faculty rohan man thana Hindi ro muskil skri mara.
Kulum kaja Jotono ani mungkai sonam de Burma ang pass out ni phayot kumulang Tripura Tribal Folk Music College ni ang Tabuk oro Tripura University wa first semester ro kathak dance no to ine pori tango azaro hambai asa
Hamba.
Ini member kan sih.
Good afternoon everyone to all the chiefs and my brothers and sisters as well as my mates. I'm Chajakya. I'm from Omarpur and I'm currently pursuing I'm being history honors. I passed out from pharmacy by Vidyamundir. My hobbies are dancing and I like to go gym during my free time. And my aim in life is to become a modeler. Thank you everyone.
Jotono chajakya. I'm here from Tripura. Apa Tripura Komaya. Ani amu ke dia ni boye. Ang BA complete kemo ke Saint Anthony College Meghalaya wo. Kita ang MA ke to history department no. Ani MLK, je mata sorkari chakri.
Angin kotor cakri no katonya.
Grup D.
Kalau bela competition pangkat ya, ya, kotor mana ni?
Angin sak no tani buituh tu ini.
Mana? Ani capability kerja sudah ni.
Nah, hamabai. Nito kerasa pun hamabai na bukup takut ni bagwi neng tahu kamu cemung kamu?
Modeler.
Neng modeler ni kerasa di perasa ni bom haji neng sini di Praha no sini do phano kucubo kagan sakar.
Next year ang practice kaya tahu. Next year ang Mr. Notice thang ni bang practice kaya tahu.
Amun yang kalau tahu nasi untuk hai.
Pare ang tisa haya problem na thang muso.
Joto ini dahar mung man yang kalau bom haji neng do phano lagi samung kelanya.
Ang Tripura represent kaya Tripura tisa siniro muso.
Ni sedang kebang mano am hayo tangzak neng wada wanswk borok tabuk sini do phano lagi hai kau sini do phano sini nani berkago thang isin busa jor di sini zakah.
Borok siniro itong ke te mana borok international logo thang siniro itong mana Tripura sequence stage na borok represent kaya itong uta.
Dah hamabai.
Thank you.
Bathroom dance ada tu? Makanya sen dance room tu doang mana nayo. Kan kan bathroom dance macam mana? Menung ya kurang ni. Nanti tu. Okay. Betul lah. Jadi dah. Makanya sen sini kaji pun lepas time bathroom dance macam ayah ni. Tuan. Wah, ini kaisa ni mong site na rin.
Everyone present here. My name is Kwtal and I'm from Tripura subdivision, Kwtal. I graduated from St. Anthony College, Shillong, under Nehu. Now I'm currently pursuing my master here in archaeology and ancient Indian culture. So like my hobbies is singing. I'm a bathroom singer. And then I love watching anime, and I love yapping all day. And then I'm choosing this university because like archaeology, like it's new subject, so like it's very interesting. So like it's like being a detective. So like being a detective, like for the past, like researching and those things. And then I'm choosing this because as I'm a history honor student, like I changed my subject for this like archaeology subject. Sorry, I'm kind of nervous. I have Shakespeare, but I'm
Okay. As we have seen just a few minutes ago that we have seen wonderful bathroom dancer. As you say that you are a bathroom singer, really we would like to hear that bathroom singing. How is it?
Okay, pardon me if I did any mistake. I don't know the lyrics that much. Okay then.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ariana Grande, we can be friends. I didn't think you'd understand me. How could you ever even try? I don't wanna tiptoe, don't wanna die. My tongue and feel I'd rather die. Just wanna let this story die. Kalong, cakay ko lang pa.
Okay, thank you. Wait. I think you did see someone is dying when you were singing. So
just stand nearby him and let him introduce himself. After that, we have something to do with you all too. Again, we please you just stand there. Okay. Now, before you introduce yourself, you just tell how much she was like that much cute or something you feel like. I don't understand. You just make us understand.
I thought she was a foreigner. I almost died. What a beautiful, lovely voice. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you to find out? Hi everything! Respected judges, seniors, and my beloved friends, I wish you my name is Ram Din Moi Kai Pian. And I'm from a beautiful, a small village of Tuidu Binando Mission Compound. I came from Tripura Degree College, and I am the department of the philosophy. And in class 12, I passed from Montfort Higher Secondary, Champanagar. My hobbies are singing, dancing, etc.
Okay. Now. Actually, we didn't hear the name of our miss, but I think you heard the name, right? Can you remember her name? What was her name? Okay, miss, can you just come in front and tell your beautiful name to the one who was dying for you?
My name is Shivani Shrankol.
Okay, so now as she's saying and you were dying, now I want you to sing something for her.
Hello? Kep kure kanya bising wa chung. Kali bising. Interesting in kamo kali bu. Muito. Tayo hali.
If you cannot express by words, can we play a song and people dance?
Please, we are going on.
Let's do that.
Secondary school. Then on graduation went college
Malik le ate cuma tunggu.
Geography department ni, kaya ni Amy na kaya teacher. Này thôi. Anh này thôi cái bức khách này thôi nó là ngủ mất ăn về à.
young, and my aim in life is to become a professor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Krishna Devarma. I have completed my schooling from Modern High Secondary School, and currently I am pursuing IMD in Tripura University. Today, my hobbies are I love dancing very much, and I love to watch reels.
Why? 당연히 IMD 과정에 choose 파이가.
Because after my class 12, I didn't want to go to another college. For example, I took admission before in another college. Sorry. And then when I got here, I left the college because since my childhood, I always wanted to become a student in Tripura University.
Through entertainment video or anything in future, will you like to do?
I'm a YouTuber, by the way.
How many subscribers you have?
Only 300.
So in future, I wish you all the best to become that 300 into 3 lakh. So see you in the coming days.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you. I pun norok ni hobbies saiman man ya golo kaisa pun norok ni confidence gain kaya ko ngaga sen tabuk norok ba fight thak ba bisa bisa sano bisa no ngake saiman thak na chu nai ne ro bisa mane ta mo ne bisa koloi bisa ma ro sungno budoi gran thang se di stage bisa besaya ni dong ha norok ready na yes. Hamabai.